Season 73 Volleyball.
Set number 3. Set number 3 is already in the books as well. USD able to find a way to come back after being down 2-0 and extend this to at least the 4th setter as their offense and their defense got going and they were able to pull away a win.
Well, you know, unlike their first 2 sets, now USD less errors, plus they were able now to run their plays and run it well. Kanina kasi errors nila, pati attack, nagiging error for USD. But now, it's a better attacking set for USD where they are at an advantage really over LaSalle. But in the first 2 sets, it was really all LaSalle on the attack. But na-quiet naman this time on the 3rd set. The Archers were a bit, this time it's their turn to be hesitant on the blocking and also on the attack. But De La Salle, towards the middle portion of that set, was able to at least string up some points and hindi naman ganun ka-lopsided yung nangyari in that 3rd set. So, let's see what adjustments Coach Sammy Aguilar will do in this 4th set for them to be able to take this first game if they hope to extend it to another one on Wednesday. But, of course, USD now riding on the momentum on that win of the 3rd set. Let's see if they carry it on and win the next 2 sets to win this game.
You heard Chris Makasai towards the end of the last timeout of LaSalle saying na natalo natin sila 2 beses, kaya natin yan. So that's what they're looking for coming into set number 4. While USD, of course, on the other hand, no other choice but to send this to a 5th set.
As you see here, now it's a more an offensive USD, just like how we know them to be. 16 attack points, and DLSU coming up with only half. 8 attack points coming from the LSU, and ito blocking. Ngayon lang nag-take ng lead ang USC with a 1 more block point against De La Salle's only 1. And the unforced errors, still USC committing a lot more, 2 more unforced errors. And even if La Salle was able to minimize those errors, hindi sila nakarun ng plays nila. Talagang yung attacks once more played its role on the side of USC and won them that set.
Final 4 matchups today in the UAAP volleyball tournament on Studio 23. USD with a twice-to-beat advantage, and the number 1 seed taking on the number 4 seeded De La Salle Green Archers. Tomorrow we will have no coverage of the volleyball tournament of the UAAP as we will give way to the Donaire and Montiel fight, and of course the skills challenge of the NBA live on Studio 23. And just a reminder, on Wednesday, we will start our coverage of either a Final 4 matchup or the finals at 1 p.m. So stay tuned
set number
for
4,
that.
De La Salle Sanlubig, the serve.
Yeah, the Donaire match, of course, versus Montiel is going to be on ABS. Studio 23 will cover the skills challenge in the NBA. That's the All-Star weekend for you as we begin.
Full weekend ahead.
Full sporting week. Set number 4 is underway. Antonio drawing first blood.
There's a high leaping Antonio on that first point of this 4th set. If De La Salle wins this, they'll push it to another game on Wednesday. But if USD wins this game against La Salle, it will be our first day of the finals on Wednesday.
That's true. So it's either all finals on Wednesday or 1 remaining Final 4 and a finals of either the men's or women's, depending on the outcome of today's matches. Because yung other Final 4 matches all done and over with.
Just wait. Waiting for an opponent.
Ramos evening it up and 1-1 in set number 4. Solid block, but that was out of bounds. Powerful lead of La Salle.
Smartly using the blockers of USC to take that point.
Serving Carlo Rivera.
Oh, Pecaña.
Block for
Second
Mike
block by
Antonio.
Antonio.
Even Pecaña was surprised
That's
at the
right.
outcome.
And what was great, it was an offensive block coming from Antonio. Little bit of an angle.
Torres blocked again. Solid blocking by Lasal here this afternoon. Torres keeps it alive. Free ball for Lasal. Luby.
Oh,
It's Antonio.
again, Antonio on the combination play.
Let's go ahead and check in with Steph C.
Nawala kasi tayo sa focus, pointed out team captain Chris as they ended the third set poorly, clearly emphasizing that they have to put their heads in the game. Now, not happy with having to extend to the fourth set, Coach Sammy continues to instruct the boys to grab the momentum once more dahil ayaw na niya ng isa pang set. Now, even if they lost that game, the advantage is still theirs and the Green Archers just have to win now. Coach Sammy still believes that they can dominate this match as he reminds the team not to give up. Sabi nga niya sa kanila, don't relax at huwag kasi kayo magbago ng palo. If they were able to grab the first two sets, then grabbing one more isn't impossible. And as long as they concentrate and retain composure, then this battle should be theirs already. Eric and Mosey.
Thanks, Steph.
Chris
Indeed, that
Makasae.
is what Lasal is shooting for. Close it out right now.
Yep.
They won the first two sets already. If you look at it from their perspective, they actually just gave away set number 3. So it's theirs for the taking. That's the mindset that they have coming into set number 4. But of course, for UST, they will want to bounce back. And Pecaña, after getting denied in the first attempt, scores his next 2 points. 5-3.
Baby Torres.
UST is down by 2 in set number 4. Torres.
Oh, now Lasal is going to new combination play, and it worked well for them as De La Vega taking that point. Look at this combination play. 2 quickers, and then in the end,
Mike Antonio on the
De
serve.
La Vega with that hit.
How many decoys in that play, ano?
Pag hindi ka ba naman nakakuha ng blocker from USD nun, ewan ka na.
Harvey
Ilano.
Ilano.
Textbook volleyball taking that point. That attack.
Still a 2-point lead, though, for
Here's James
Lasal.
Pecaña.
4, serving 6. Luby sets it up. Makasae off speed. Ukang. All the way to the other side. Depante. Picked up by Casanova. Makasae. Ukang chases after it. Jump set. Depante. Soft touch. Good rally. De La Vega. Blocked. Kept alive by Antonio. Great play. Makasae finds the corner on an off-speed hit.
You know, he has been attempting to put it in that area from, siguro, the last 2 plays from him. Doon yan nilalagay sa zone 1. And now finally taking that point.
Smart volleyball decision-making by Chris Makasae. 3-point advantage, Lasal. Depante on the attack. That was out of bounds, picked up by Deloiras. De La Vega off the blockers.
Oh, De La
The check
Vega.
ball point. Lasal.
First spectacle
What a
timeout.
furious rush here by Lasal as they are up by 4 here in set number 4.